Hi guys, if you're looking to achieve a look like this, then this is the absolute right video for you. So first things first, what exactly do we need for this project? We would need a material, some tape, chalk and scissors. Let's get right into this. So I've just laid out my fabric and I have folded it into two inside out. Now I'm going to take the full length of the dress and I'm going to add extra 2 inches allowance for the folding on the top part of the dress and at the bottom part of the dress. Now I'm taking my shoulder to waist measurement, the length. Also, I am taking my shoulder to hip measurement in length. So what you are going to do now is you're going to add 5 inches allowance in width, and remember this fabric is folded into two, and that would be like a total of 10 inches in width, and this is just for the front piece only. We're going to be cutting the back later. So this 5 inches we're going to be adding is going to be the allowance to give the dress space to be elastic enough. So that is it, that's the 5 inches allowance. And now I am going to be measuring out the shoulder divided by 2, and I drew that out. Now I'm going to be taking the arm length measurement, and this is usually 7 to 8 inches. Then I'm just going to extend that line out. So now I'm going to be taking my bust measurement, and guys, the line that is the 5 inches line we drew out is where we're going to be taking all our measurements from: the shoulder measurement, bust, waist, hip. That will be our new line. So I'm going to take my bust measurement from that line. A bust divided by 4, we add 1 inch allowance. We're going to take our waist measurement, the waist measurement divided by 4. We're also going to add 1 inch allowance, and don't forget guys, we're taking the measurements from that 5-inch reference line. So now I'm going to be measuring out my hip measurement, and I'm going to divide it by 4 and add 1 inch allowance also. So I am just joining the lines together, the bust to waist to the hip measurement, and I'm trying to bring out the usual body shape. So now, because this dress is going to be an off-shoulder dress, I'm going to take out 4 inches from the top. So now I'm going to measure out the width, which is usually 5 inches wide, but for bigger sizes you could use 6 inches wide. And this dress is a size 8 to 10. Now we're going to join that line to the bust line. So this is what we have now, and we're just going to cut that out. So that's it, and now I'm placing it again for the back piece on another folded material to cut out the back piece. So now we're going to take the brown shoulder measurements and we're going to divide it into 4, and we're going to take that measurement from the 5-inch mark there, and then whatever we're left with is what we're going to use for the round measurements for the sleeve. So we're going to just put that measurement there plus the 5 inches also. So we're also going to add the 5 inches and the width for the upper part of the sleeve, and then we're going to take the armhole length and then the lower part of the sleeve also plus 5 inches. I'm just going to cut that out, and that's our sleeve and our dress. Please don't use a sewing machine to put in your elastic thread into your ruler, just use your hand. And that is all, guys. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you guys so much. Bye.